Hi everyone, it's me, Rahmat Yusni, your instructor for your instructional media course. Here I would like to make a tutorial on how to work on your Google Sites collaborations wiki page. Alright, first of all, you have to log into your email. Once you're logged in, and then you head to your instructional media course on module. One and find your units e-portfolio. Go to your e-portfolio and you're going to open this page, and you will see page right here. All right, so if you are logged in your email, in your Gmail address, and then you will see your name on top right, saying that you're logged in, and then you can also see the edit page button, create page, and management page or settings of this wiki page. All right, I have made group sections here in the navigation bar, and I have invited all of you to participate in this collaborative Google Wiki. Right? So it is very important that you must work inside your section. So if you're group 1, you're working inside group 1. If you're group 3, you're working inside group 3. So you must not work in other group sections. This is very important. Yeah, and if you do that, that is a very bad violation. All right, so how to work with Google Wiki, or Google Sites Wiki? It's very simple. So if let's say you're group 1, so you head to your group 1, activate your group 1, you can see your name right here, and then you add page. Click create page, and then name your page. I will tell you what project or what task that you need to make, and I will tell you what is the name of the page as well. So let's say for now I'm going to make reflection module 1, and then always choose web page, don't choose anything else, we're not going to use others. And then make sure that you put page under group 1 or what group you're in. Okay, so don't put at top level or don't put in any different location. This is very important. Otherwise this page will be created underneath others other groups section, so that's not what you want. All right, so once you verify that it is selected to put page under group your group, yeah, as in here you see group 1, and then click create. Okay, wait for a couple seconds, and yes, the page is now created. As you can see, this is the new page we just made, and it is created under group 1 section, like what we have said before. Alright, so this one is the heading of the page or the title of the page. You can edit this, and this is the body of the page. Yeah, where you can type things. You can change fonts, and then whatever you want to do, like this is where you edit stuff and you type stuff. All right, if you want to add image, just go here and follow the instructions. If you want to put like some materials from your Google Drive, you just click here and select like any from this list. YouTube, just click here and follow the instructions. So it's going to be very simple. All right, so once you're done with the page, or maybe you just want to make the draft, so to close it, just click save, so it'll save here. All right, if you want to edit again, yeah, for example, you want at a different time, like you want to change this to a different text, for example, you want to put, or you want to add more pictures or whatever, you just go to the page where you are, the page where you want to work, and then click edit. Alright, and now it's in editing mode. As you can see, this one is the editing mode. You made some changes, whatever you want, and then once you're done, you click save again. As simple as that. Alright, so yeah, let me know in the lecture if you have any problem with this. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.